Well, everybody, the day has finally come. This corn was planted way back in end of May, first part of June. All set up for the state fair. Well, here we go. All of our corn here, it's all hand-picked. The guys have started first thing this morning, starting to pick. We usually start around 5:30. This time of the year, we push it back till 6 o'clock because you just can't see anything. All the hard work all summer long. We've grown it, we've watered it, and this year we've watered it a lot. But it looks nice, looks good to go. Let's just make sure it tastes right. Yep, we're good to go. Let's come on down to the fair and enjoy some of our corn.